Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Igbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am back with new remote job leads, and in this video the primary role we are going to be talking about is with iHeart Media, okay, iHeart Radio. So they currently have a position open that I thought was an interesting role. I wanted to quickly bring them to my people. So we're going to be talking through that position, the details of it. But before we get to that position, we're going to also be exploring other roles with other companies that are currently open as well, data entry roles, as well as non-phone roles. So you want to stick around and get all the juicy details about that opportunity. So the first opportunity that we are going to be going over is titled Teleradiology Associate. Again, Teleradiology Associate from the Tele should already tell you that this is a remote role, and it is with this company called Rayos Radiology. They are formerly known as Diagnostic Imaging and Insight Imaging. So they are looking for a teleradiology associate to come join their team, and this position is full-time, so it's going to be Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is a fully remote role, as you can see here, which means you can reside in any part of the US. Any of the 50 states is eligible to apply for this position. What is required for this role? You need a high school diploma, 1 year experience with Microsoft Office, data entry experience, just proficiency with computer systems, and just typing in general. Okay, that's really all that is required for this role. So I think this is a very straightforward position, open, accepting applications right now, and the requirements are not far-fetched, they are not difficult, they are quite easy to retain. So definitely check them out. The salary range is between $30,000 to $38,000, which is almost $40,000, which brings you to an average of about $16 to $18 per hour. So that is definitely open right now, and they are accepting applications. Okay, so the next position we are going to be exploring is with this company called vacancies. So they are looking for an eligibility specialist to come join their team. And this position, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be receiving electronic files, and you're going to be reconciling the information for discrepancies to make sure that all information that are provided are accurate. You're going to be doing audits of information within different systems, spreadsheets, to kind of ensure that they are accurate. So just making sure different eligibility records that are being transferred into the different databases are accurate. Okay, so as far as requirements go, they are asking for high school diploma or GED, 2 years experience in enrollment processing, or just doing electronic or eligibility related issues, and then data entry skills. They're asking for knowledge in SQL. If you have it, you want to call that out, but it's not required for this position. It's just a preference. Okay, so I wanted to mention that because I don't want anyone to see that and not apply for this position. It's a preference. Okay, so even if you don't have SQL knowledge, they will still consider you for this position. Okay, but if you do have it, please make sure you call it out as part of your skill set in your resume, because that is going to be important. And then everything else are more skills. They're talking about oral and written communication skills, and talking about you being organized, detail oriented, and so forth. Okay, they offer full benefits with this position and 401k match as well. The salary for this position, from my research, show that they do pay on average about $25,000. However, though, based on other venue you can see on here too, it does go a little bit higher. So I think it really varies, but at least on average you can say between $38,000 and $41,000. Okay, so that is the salary range for this position. And then the next is with WellSense Health Plan. WellSense Health Plan is a managed care organization. It's a health insurance organization. They are looking for a pharmacy operations specialist. Don't let the pharmacy throw you off. It's just like everything else where you have medical, you have pharmacy, you have dental, and so forth. So the pharmacy department is looking for an operations specialist to come and join the team. So you're going to be reporting to the manager of pharmacy, and you're going to be supporting the pharmacy utilization management program. You're going to be working with them closely to ensure that different authorization requests and inquiries that come in are being processed accurately, are being also managed correctly in accordance with different regulatory and accreditation requirements. Okay, so what is required for this position? They're asking for high school diploma or equivalent. Okay, it's a requirement for this position. An associate or a bachelor's degree, it's a preference, it's not a requirement. So even if you don't have that, you can still submit your application for this position. 2 or more years of experience in a professional setting, so professional or pharmacy settings. Even if you've not been in pharmacy before, you can still apply for this position because they will seriously still consider you. Okay. And then they have prior experience, assisting members, strong organizational skills. So this particular role actually is a hybrid between data entry and customer service. So you are going to be on the phone some periods of time with this position and also do data entry as well. So which is why they have on here, must have strong data entry and attention to detail in building cases. The salary from my research show that for WellSense between $34,000 and up to $43,000 per year, which on a hourly basis kind of brings you to about $19 to $20 per hour. Okay. The next position is with this company called Bragg. So Bragg is looking for billing collection specialists. Again, billing collection specialist. This person is going to be responsible for providing comprehensive reimbursement services, intake for new patients, for new accounts. So on a patient level as well as company level, you're going to be providing assistance. Okay. And what's required for this position: high school diploma, and then some college degree. It's a preference if you have it. Proficiency in reimbursement policies. So those are things that are required for this position. They also have on here computer proficiency, especially with the area of internet search, Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook. One of the things I do want to call out is that this position does have 2 shifts right now. So they have early start 9 a.m. Eastern, and then you can have a late start of 11 a.m. Eastern. So for folks that are not like really morning type of people, you can actually elect to go for the late start. Okay. And then the salary range is between $17.30 and up to $24 per hour. So that is the range. We have another position which is with Minnesota Department of Health. They are looking for a technical and administrative support staff. And on here, as you can see, is open to all qualified job seekers. This position, I do want to focus on these 2 dates. So it was open yesterday and it's going to be closing by 5/9. So you want to make sure that you submit applications right away if you're interested, which means it's going to be closing by next week, Tuesday. Okay. So if you're interested, definitely go ahead and submit your applications right away. The hours are 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. That is the hours. And the salary range is between 21 and 10 cents and up to $29.74 per hour. Okay. So this is a telework eligible position, and it says yes, right? Meaning you can work from home. One of the things with this position though is that the telework or the remote piece of this position is only open to people that reside in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, North Dakota, as well as South Dakota. Okay. This is a tech position. So if you live in those states and you are interested, go ahead and submit your application right away because it's going to be closing a week from now. What is required for this position? They're looking for you to have 1 year relevant experience in data entry. And also if you have a bachelor's degree or if you have an associate's degree, associates will be substituted for 6 months of experience. And then for bachelor's degree, it will substitute for 1 year of the experience. Okay. We're going to move on now to the iHeart media positions, which is the bigger company for iHeart Radio. So they are looking for a commercial content manager. So commercial content manager, this was recently posted. And one of the things I really loved about this is that they are saying it right here. If you're excited about this role, but don't feel your experience aligns perfectly with this job description, we encourage you to apply anyway. So we are dedicated to building a diverse, inclusive, and authentic workplace and are looking for teammates passionate about what we do. So if you are passionate, you can actually still submit your application even if you don't qualify for this position. So I know right now the remote position is for North Carolina and South Carolina, but if you live in other states, you can still apply for this position as long as you can make a case that you are very passionate about this position. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that I called that out because they had it on their page. And okay, so right now what you're going to need for this position, they want someone who is willing to learn new systems quickly, excellent time management, data entry skills, positive and proactive attitude, ability to read and interpret operating and traffic instructions. And this position does not require any education level whatsoever. Okay, so definitely check it out. If you have interest in this position, go ahead and submit your application right away. The salary is from $15.39 and up to $21.16. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.